Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the DuroMax XP13000EH, a dual-fuel portable generator with 13,000 watts, powered by gas or propane, with electric start. It has a nice blue-gray color scheme, and if you're looking for something slightly different, DuroMax does make a great generator, and they have several other models available, so check them out. The XP13000EH has 10,500 running watts and 13,000 peak watts. It's 30 by 29 by 26 inches and weighs 234 pounds. Powered by a 500cc two-stroke engine, it can run on gasoline or propane. It can handle heavy loads from lights, refrigerators, home air conditioners, and high-amp power tools. There's several different outlets for maximum compatibility, and like all DuroMax generators, the XP13000EH is EPA and CARB approved for use in all 50 states. It has almost 3,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5. Now let's check out a fantastic review from Reggie Nantel, a verified purchaser. I've researched generators for a couple of years. I decided on the beast. I have dual purpose, for full house and RV power. When I received the generator, I followed all instructions to the letter. The generator started easily. I have it hooked up to propane for now. It ran great at testing. We had a power outage that lasted 5 hours one evening. We were able to continue on with our lives as if the power had never gone out. Our home is approximately 1,400 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we're on all electric except for the furnace. We watched TV, cooked on the electric stove, and we were able to run the house and turn the lights on and off with no issues. We're also on a well. The generator has an option that supplies 220 or 240. 240 is needed to run the well pump. The generator ran for the full 5 hours without one hiccup. The 5-gallon propane tank still feels very full after 5 hours. Very efficient with fuel use. I'm very happy with my decision to go with this beast. I am confident that this generator will do exactly what I expect it to do. Nice. So pick up your DuroMax XP13000 generator today. You won't be disappointed.